Technology's growth is exponential, and now it seems like every year there's a new camera body or a new lens announced as well. But will buying the latest and greatest or upgrading every single year will make us happy? Hi, my name is Jorge, welcome. On this channel we merge creativity and productivity to try to live a more fulfilling life. Today's video is fairly short, I just wanted to share how I feel about this topic. The answer to will a new camera make us happier for most people is, it depends. For me, it's a big no. There are many reasons why someone would buy cameras and lenses every year or upgrade every year. Perhaps that specific camera or lens helps you do one particular task a little bit better. Perhaps it's all about signaling and status. Maybe you just have worked hard and you just want the thing, you deserve it. It's your money, you can do whatever you want with it. Or perhaps you've been using the same gear, older equipment for many years and now it's a good time to update. Most of these situations can be valid, they can line up from a specific point of view. However, for the most part, a new camera will not make us happy. Hedonic Adaptation will make sure that is the case. Your baseline will adjust, and now you'll be left wanting the newest and latest thing every single time. Cameras are tools, a means to an end. We do need cameras to practice our craft, but the craft itself is what makes us happy and fulfill us, not the tech, not the camera itself. There are times when the improvements are significant and that alone justifies upgrading to a new camera. I talked about this in my X100V review and you can watch it right here. In that review I mentioned that weather sealing is a big deal for me and my style of photography, so it made sense for me to upgrade. I didn't upgrade because it was the newest Fuji camera at that time. I didn't upgrade because I was coveting technology and getting caught in the cycle of upgrading and buying new equipment every time a new camera is slightly updated or a new lens is released is putting us at risk of forgetting that the craft is really what matters, nothing else. This is not some sort of preaching session where I tell you how to live your life. However, it's always a good idea to ask yourself these types of questions and to consider and to do some self-exploration before you pull the trigger and you buy that shiny new camera. For example, take a look at my YouTube channel. A camera review versus another video I wanted to make. A camera review versus another topic that I wanted to discuss. A camera review versus literally anything else. From this point of view, it would make sense for me to invest everything I have into brand new camera gear, new lenses, new bodies that I can review and you can make content and create videos about on this channel. And in reality, it would contribute a lot more to the growth of this channel than, let's say, this video for example. However, that would be disingenuous on my part. Coveting technology and selling you a specific camera and telling you you will be happy when you get that camera makes absolutely no sense to me. And when I do talk about cameras and lenses and review them, I try to focus on older gear that is accessible to everyone, that can potentially help you get started and practicing and getting involved in your craft. Even things like affordable ways of shooting film, in this case black and white. I've been working on a video about it, stay tuned for that. To conclude, I would like to ask you to take a moment to consider and to really think about why did you start your creative journey? What was the reason? Or why do you want to start your journey now? It's not about the tech, it's not about the camera, it's about how it feels to create, to explore, to grow your artistic capabilities, your style, to express your voice and enjoy the process. To escape the reality that confronts you every day and create your own. To offer some relief and happiness to your soul and to try to live a more fulfilling life. Don't worry about the gear, worry about pushing yourself to create. Worry about improving your skills. Focus on doing, exploring, and being who you want to be. And good luck with your creative journey.